Now I'm going to show you a second way to do the problem. What we can do is, instead of, maybe it's not so obvious to us that 9x and 9x are equal to each other. Maybe the problem is different and we don't see it. What we do is we solve for one variable. So here I'm going to solve for x. You divide 9. Whatever you do to one side, you do to everything. So I'm going to divide everything out by the 9. So I get x is equal to, and I'll leave everything in fraction form. Fractions to me are easier, and I'll show you why. So we have 6 over 9y plus 78 over 9. Okay. You can see that we do 9 divided by 9, 6y divided by 9, 78 divided by 9. What we do to one side, we do to everything. So now we have x. X is alone, and I'm going to plug x into this problem to where I get 9 times our x, which is 6 ninths y plus 78 ninths, is equal to 2y plus 30. Using the distributive property, which means that a number in front of a parenthesis, meaning a multiplication, you're multiplying this, I multiply the 9 times the first and the second unit. If I multiply 9, I'm leaving in a fraction. 9 over 1 times 6 over 9, y, plus the 9 over 1 times 78 ninths is equal to, and I bring down the remainder of my problem. A 9 on the numerator and the 9 on the denominator can cancel out, and I now have 6 over 1, which is 6, y. Continue to bring down your unknown variable. 9 over 1 times 78 over 9. Again, my 9's cancel, and I'm left with 78. This looks remarkably like this, is equal to 2y plus 30. So now, because we have one side is equal to the other side, I defer back to our other video to finish out. If this does not work, if it is something that is not as simple as you can say, oh, I see these two are the same, and you do it this way, you do what is called substitution. You factor for one variable, and then you substitute it back into the other equation to get only one variable in the equation you're trying to work out. A problem with two variables, an x and a y, or two unknowns, an x and a y, will always yield two answers. One for the x, one for the y. I hope this helps. If you have questions, you know how to get hold of me.